Get your hands on the Italian classic, Piaggio Ape. Only at Rusco Motors Incorporated.
Ready, set, let's go. Feel the flow on my Piaggio. EFI, Euro 4.
Technology.
Passenger or cargo, use it for your business or personal transportation. What you waiting for? Gasoline or diesel engine, comfortable suspension, smoother on your ride, and better traction. Load capacity, spacious and wide. Fuel tank capacity for longer rides. Now you got the power mobilizing you for our super fuel efficient. Get yours now, Don't hesitate, don't let it be too late. Rusco Piaggio Ape, now get yours today.
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape,
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape,
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape, Rusco Piaggio Ape, the makers of Vespa scooters. Rusco Piaggio Ape, the makers of Vespa scooters. Rusco Piaggio Ape, reputable Italian brand, being best in class three-wheeler, after sales, services, and spare parts with 2 years warranty, providing only the greatest customer satisfaction for quality and service, and being the best in class for features and design. An affordable vehicle for everyone, available in all Rusco and Rusi branches all over the Philippines. So what are you waiting for? Get your Piaggio Ape now.
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape,
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape,
Rusco Piaggio Ape.
Ropia Ape, a classic Italian brand. Get yours today.